and welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I'm doing a hair review on Hairinbeauty hair on this beautiful water wave hair. Do not mind it. This side I got wet and did my edges and styled it, and I left this side dry so I can show you guys what products I put in this hair, what I do to keep the curls like a little bomb. And I kind of like a little poofy, so that's why I thought, let me show you how it looked before I did it. But I made this hair into a wig, as you guys know. Obviously, I always turn all the bundles I get into hair. I got my hair in a 20-inch frontal. I got 24, 26, and 28 inches in this beautiful water wave hair. You guys, this beautiful water wave hair. Like, honestly, this is probably like my favorite type of hair, like water wave hair, because I love like the pretty curls it has, pretty curls it brings. They have virgin human hair, virgin Remy human hair, ombre Remy hair, and then they have closures, frontals, 360 frontals, and wigs. So make sure you guys go check them out. The links will be in the description down below. It says, dear customer. It says, dear customer, thank you for purchasing in our website. Please feel free to contact us if there's any questions or anything you need to help. We will provide our warmest and most professional service. It gives you their email, their telephone number, their WhatsApp, WeChat, and it also says, as to express our thanks, we give you a special coupon. The code is THANKS. That's funny. You can use it to get $5 off before checkout when you're on your next purchase, and it can also be shared to your families and friends. So make sure you guys use THANKS for $5 off. And it says, here's our QR code for our website. Scan and enjoy your customers' coupons now, which it gives me the coupon code. But yeah, so this is honestly, it's mink hair, so it's really pretty. Like, I honestly love it. It's really soft, you guys. Like, I'm about to be a baby. And I plucked the baby hairs, I laid my baby hairs, I plucked the middle. It can have any part. Like, at first when I did the wig, it looked like I was gonna do a side part, but I was like, nah, why not do a middle part? Because usually lately I've been always doing side parts, so I'm like, yeah, it's time for me to do a middle part, which I love this middle part. But I laid the edges on this side too, you guys. So, but yeah, so let me show you guys what I do for this hair to look like this side, this pretty side, which honestly I kind of like it a little poofier. But here, let me put you guys more in light so you guys can see more. Oh, there we go. But yeah, so I'm sitting in my chair. But yeah, this is so pretty though. Like, I'm obsessed with it. A 360 spin. So, but yeah, so okay, let me show you guys. What I'm going to first do is use my water bottle. Jake's like over here staring at me like, oh, what are you doing? I'm trying to get all areas of the hair wet. That's why I'm spraying it a lot. I just want to make sure it's like, so it all looks the same. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run my fingers through it to make sure all the hair is wet. Some parts of it's wet, some parts of it's not. And my hair is like literally dripping. Come through dripping, drip drip. Came through dripping, drip drip. Came through dripping. Next, I'm going to use some mousse, which I barely have mousse in here. I gotta go buy some more because obviously I use it a lot. So, I mean, it's enough to use right now. It's definitely time for some new mousse. This is the only mousse I use by Suave, however you say it. Sorry if I said it wrong. But so I'm gonna do it like that. And then next, I'm going to use this Max Hold hairspray because obviously I didn't have a lot of mousse, so I don't want it to come up. So I'm going to spray it all around the hair. And then I'm going to crunch it up. do is I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to put it on low heat just so it won't like frizz up. It'll just dry a little bit so I won't go outside and like the hair be wet. Okay, so then I'm gonna just, and that's that. So I look like a baddie. So you guys, that is the products I use. Got water all over my leg. But so those are the products. That is the key to keep this beautiful water wave hair intact. So yeah, 360. And as you can see, I got my baby's hair. I plucked it a little bit to try. I mean, that is the hair. This side, my favorite, because it's dry already. No, just kidding. But yeah, so this is how you guys style this beautiful Hairinbeauty hair, this beautiful water wave hair that's in 28, 26, 24, and a 20-inch frontal for you guys. My little water wave wig I made featuring that beautiful Hairinbeauty, sorry. But yeah, so make sure you guys go check out that code. Make sure you guys get $5 off of your purchase. They have beautiful hair on there, and I'm telling you guys, this hair is soft as crap. Like, I love this hair right now. Like, I'm probably gonna keep it on for like a week now. Like, so if I'm on Snapchat with this hair, like, y'all don't tell me nothing, because I'm on Snapchat all week with this hair. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go check out Hairinbeauty website and use that beautiful code I have in the links in the description. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Love you guys.